Hi folks, it's Shelley here with a really quick timer tip. Yesterday was Thanksgiving here in the United States, and so I would like to encourage you today to sometimes sit down, take either a pencil and paper or open up a digital file, but spend a few minutes reflecting on the things that worked well yesterday and the things that didn't work so well. For example, since yesterday was Thanksgiving, I would encourage you to think about the foods and dishes that you served and prepared. Think about the preparations that you made ahead of time, about the people you invited that attended and those that did not attend. Take a little time to think about what didn't work and analyze the ways that you can make your next holiday go a little bit smoother. For example, while we're thinking about Thanksgiving and thinking about all those yummy, delicious dishes that were on the table, are there some dishes that, while traditional, maybe are not quite making their way onto people's plates the way they did in holidays past? You know, traditions are wonderful. I'm in favor of traditions. But as our families and circumstances and situations change, sometimes those other things that have been traditions, they need to change as well. Foods that were loved by ancestors in the past may not be enjoyed so much by those that are sitting at our holiday table today. Are there some things that you noticed that people requested that they would like to see more of on the Thanksgiving table or the holiday table next year? So just take a few minutes, make a few notes about the things that went well. Are there any things you can do to improve on those? What are the things that didn't go real well that you either need to cut out or delegate to someone else or just delete totally? You know, just because it's always been done doesn't mean it has to be. But by taking a few minutes now while it's fresh in your mind to reflect upon the day and to make a few notes, you can guarantee yourself that you'll have a little bit less frenzy in the next holiday that comes around. Just a word of caution though, make sure that you put those notes someplace where you can easily find them and access them to make them easy for next year.